Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. The pair is EURCAD. So before that, let's check the date and the time. Refresh 11:18 p.m. Wednesday, 10th of June 2026 EST. Okay, so where is my chart? Right here. So what happened is the price came until the EMI. Then we have some bullish candle here. This is your trigger, I guess. These two candles are my trigger. And I'm expecting long. Okay, so in EuroCAD, we are going to go long. And my take profit is this black line. Now, this might take few days. Okay, so I have shown you the date and time already. It might take maybe 2 days. Maybe by Friday we'll close this trade, or it will touch the TP, or maybe next week. Who knows? I don't know. I just know what to do. Okay, so we are going to enter this long at the current price, and it's gonna go until here 6164. So maybe 70 pips in this trade. Yeah, even though I am into another trade. Okay, currently I am into another trade, so I will not be taking this. I will not show you the screenshot because I am already into some other trade right now, which I will not tell you obviously. But yes, because my money is into that trade, I have staked all my money in that trade because I know what's gonna happen with that. So I'm not gonna take this trade, but I'm telling you what's gonna happen. I'm telling you this is gonna go up and take out this black line. Okay. When that happens, when the price touches this black line, I'll come back and record the take profit video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with our take profit video, and EURCAD, as you can see, we have touched our black line before that. Let me show you the date and the time when I'm recording the video. So if I refresh, it is currently showing 8:46 p.m. Thursday 11th of June 2026 in EST. Okay. However, this trade was closed hours before because I was sleeping. So it happened while I was sleeping, and I would think it was maybe 8 hours before. Okay. So this is the candle, or this is the candle which has touched our take profit. So it has been few hours, and what else I can say? You can clearly see everything. In the beginning, I told you when did we enter. I have shown you the timing as well, and you can see the time even right now when the trade is closed. Okay. I do not have to give you any more proof. I am making these videos for fun. Okay. I am making these videos for fun because I like to be right. It doesn't gives me pleasure, if I make money. What gives me pleasure is that I am right. That is why I make these videos. Okay. So I don't know where did I enter. I think we were here somewhere. Wherever we are, I think I don't know where were we. We might have been somewhere here. Okay. And then we entered and we book a profit. So you know what I mean. Okay. Anyway, so if you want these trades before they happen, help yourself. Okay. Go and join the mentorship program. Find the link which says Swing Like a Pro, maybe below this video. Wherever, man, it's not my problem. Okay. If you want to get in, then get in. So help yourself. Otherwise, nobody can. Till then, see you again.